Now, tell us about, if you were going to do a nature show, what would you say to the camera when you did your nature show?
Woolly mammoth.
You'd say, hey kids, let's learn about woolly mammoths.
And they can say, when I can learn about woolly mammoths, I can learn about monsters.
Oh, you think the kids aren't interested in woolly mammoths?
And they're not going to be interested in nothing that I like. They're going to be interested in monsters, so they're going to... We're going to talk about... We're going to do a movie about bad monsters.
Oh, that's boring.
And then I can say, no, kids. I don't think you're going to like it because it's going to be scary.
That's right.
You're going to say, maybe it's not going to be scary. But maybe it is. Maybe we should try woolly mammoth. Okay. Maybe we could say that.
That sounds really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Some people don't like animals and are not nice and have pets, but they give their pets away.
That's right.
C'est pas gentil, ça.
Because they don't like animals.
That's right. What would you tell them?
That we can't take pets away.
That's right.
Because then the policeman will not be happy at that person.
C'est vrai.
I hear an animal outside of our window.
It's
What is that?
the blue jay.
Tell us all about the blue jay.
No.
We like to hear about the blue jay.
No, he's mean.
Do we like him?
No.
Yes, we do.
No, he's mean.
I love the blue jay.
No, he eats all the food from the other.
He needs to eat.
Yeah, but I don't like when he eats the other food.
He's a big birdie.
Ah, il est en train de taper sur une branche. Comme un pivert. T'as vu?
What bird do you like?
Eagle.
Look in the camera. Talk about the eagle.
Eagle.
Tell us all about the eagle.
No.
You don't want to do your nature show?
No, I don't want to make it, but I said that. I said eagle. A boat. Boats, dun 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 dun, boats everywhere.
Show the camera the boat. This is,
A boat.
Andre likes to call that a boat when he peels his oranges.
Peel.
You know how to do that part?
Boink, boink. It's a sea anemone!
Oh, you gonna eat a sea anemone?
Who is seen an enemy?
Who is?
Who does?
Eats them? I'm sure people eat them. Probably in Japan or China they eat them.
Maybe some animals in sea anemones. Maybe the sperm whale does.
Maybe.
Yep, they eat sea anemones. They're animal sea anemones.
That's true. People probably eat them too.
They don't.
People eat that other spiny thing in France. What's that called?
Oursin.
Yeah. What's it called in English, though? I can never think of what it's called in English.
Comment tu dis oursin en anglais, chérie? Urchin?
Yeah, urchin.